Farewell and adieu, you fair Spanish ladies. Farewell and adieu to you ladies from Spain. For we've orders to sail all the way back to England, and never again shall we see you no more.
Hi guys, and welcome to John Shaw's 101 South African edition. Today we're going to be using a South African soap, very kindly sent. You see, no, you're starting to get annoyed then, weren't you? You were starting to get annoyed. Don't worry, I'm not going to do the whole video in a South African accent. Oh, that's probably the best you'll hear, isn't it? Right? Okay, Kevy Pa from Kevy Shaves sent me some stuff. Thank you, Kevy, very kind, very generous. Sent me some soaps, and as you've seen by the thumbnail, it's this one that quite a few YouTubers have been using. It's from the Bundubeard shaving company. What I'm going to be using today is called Shark Dye. You want to see the ingredients? There they are. You can pause that. He sent me that. Look at this, guys. It looks fantastic. It smells fantastic. I only get 1 cent from it. We'll talk a bit more about that. He sent me the matching balm as well. Look at that. Love that artwork. Kind of like Indiana Jones meets Jaws. So that's what we're going to be using today. We'll talk about it in a minute. Just wanted to get out of the way and say thank you to Kevy from Kevy Shaves. He sent me some blades as well. I'm really looking forward to using those in an upcoming video. The brush we're going to be using, we're going with the shark theme. We're going to use the Yaqi Ocean. There you go. In the ocean. There you go. We'll put that in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. There you go. Coffee for this morning. We're going with Pete's Dark Roast. There you go. I like them little Folgers tubs. And I just put the coffee. It just makes it easier every morning when time's an issue and I'm going to work for making the coffee. I just prefer it in them. And you didn't really need to know that, did you? Cheers, everybody. No biscuits today. You don't get a figure like this munching on biscuits. Right, okay. Razor we're going to be using today. When I seen what Kevy had sent me, there was only one because I was thinking of using it a couple of weeks ago and I don't know why I didn't. Here it is. Got it? The Razorock Jaws. Look at the teeth on that bad boy, hey? Doesn't that just look, hey? There we go. We got Jaws there. Just there you go. And what we're going to be putting in that? How predictable am I? Hey, come on. We'll be putting a shark blade in it. Now these have got a bad rep, guys, but I've got to be honest. 99% of the time that I've used them, they've been okay, you know. Oh, there you go. We'll stick that in there. So Kevy sent me the soap and the balm, so I didn't need to find a balm for that. Thank you, Kevy. Put that shark blade in there. Alright, I just noticed that's got etching on the bottom there. Oh, I had etching on my bum last night. Oh, sounds something. Right. Stick that in there. Come on. Aftershave splash. Did you see it in the thumbnail? The closest thing, it doesn't smell like this. It doesn't. They don't smell alike. They smell, there's a kind of a similarity. The closest one I could find to this was this. And I've been looking for an excuse to use this all over Christmas and all over the winter period. Here we go. Florida Water cologne out of New York. If you're a wet shaver and you haven't tried this, you're missing out. Absolutely love it. Okay. Did I show you this? Did I show you the website? We'll go to the tablette. A shark dive. Once again, can you hear a bit of raspiness in my throat? My daughter had it for 2 weeks in January. My wife had it the 3rd week in January. I thought I'd escaped it, but last night I just started with this throat and chestiness. Here we go. Come on, let's go. We'll jump straight down to the fragrance on the Bundubeard website. The fragrance is hip, fresh, modern, has a leathery swing to it. I don't pick that up at all. Has a leathery swing to it, but not as heavy as a more traditional 14 aftershave. The top notes will sing bergamot and cinnamon. The medium notes will be played out by orange blossom, honeysuckle and jasmine. Jasmine is the only note I get from this soap, but it smells fantastic, guys. While the base notes will be strung by sandalwood, vetiver, patchouli, musk and vanilla. The fragrance plays a fine tune indeed. If the smell was an 80s rock song, this one would be most certainly Living on a Prayer by Bon Jovi. And it's funny that, because when I saw that I thought, oh, we're halfway there. Then I saw the rest and I thought, hey, living on a... Right, come on guys, it's an entertainment show. Right, so let's crack on. Double Macallan for breakfast this morning. Seems to have worked. Here we go. Yeah, let's have a go. I was going to use a badger, but I thought, no, Yaqi Ocean, synthetic, let's have a go. You'll see it as I see it. Apparently, this soap is a lather monster. It's a hard put. I would put the scent at about a 4 on this one, maybe a notch under, but I will call it a 4. It's a glycerin based soap, so you know it's going to lather, but it's got glycerin and other stuff in it as well. It's a very, very hard put. So we'll see where we go with that. I can see now there isn't a great deal loaded onto the brush, but hey ho. I'm not one of these people I don't like to spend an inordinate amount of time lathering. Let's see where we go. It smells wonderful. I'd say the scent strength has stayed at about 3 now, as you can see. Looks like it needs a drink, doesn't it? So we'll dip the tips and we'll have a play and we'll see. It does seem to be bursting into life. Yeah, I've seen several other YouTube wet shavers using this. This could go, we're going to dip these tips again. We'll go a bit more water. It does say on their website that you could get 200 plus shaves out of this tub. And it's not expensive stuff, guys. So when it's for us over here, and I hate saying that because it was a gift, but I think it's very, very economical. And combined with the fact that they say you're going to get 200 shaves out of this. And I've got to be absolutely honest with you guys. Looking at this now and how long I was loading that for, you're probably going to hit more like 300 with this. I mean, this is good stuff. It's very, very economical. What should we do? We've got a bit of slickness, shall we see? Wow, it's very slick, very slick. In the water. Yeah, that's a good slickness. Good slickness. Okay, here we go. Did you notice the... Oh, Rampton. Please don't cut my fringe too short. It cut you a bit too short last time. Okay, my friend. Here we go. We'll start about there. I know people have actually said to me, how do you know where to judge to do your sideburns? So you see that arch on my ear? I go there halfway down. Go there, boom. But anyway, don't use this Razorock Jaws a lot. It's 0.84. I don't use it a lot because I don't know why. I don't know if it's been banged. I don't know if it's been dinged. I don't know if it's just an anomaly in the production process. But I get weepers and creepers like you would not believe from this razor. But it's a good razor. 316, is it 316L stainless steel? Absolutely beautiful. Love the handle. But it is a beast. And I'll be honest with you guys, I just like having a razor called Jaws. I don't know if you guessed, but I am a massive Jaws fan. I really remember, I don't judge me guys, I was a child, but I can remember going to our local swimming pool as a 10 and under, and I was convinced that I'd bump into a shark under the water. I was. Jaws really did have that effect on people's psyche, didn't it? Absolute wonderful film. I may watch it later. There you go. That's good stuff, guys. That razor feels a bit rough. It does. Maybe it wasn't a good combination. Kevy sent me some razors I'm itching to use, but they'll do another video, won't they? Don't want to use all the new stuff up in one. But look at this. Yeah. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Slick. Kevy's a ladder master. I'm sure if Kevy played with this, he could make a woof, a big voluminous Santa's beard. I'm not, that's not for me, but you could do. The point I'm making is, this is good stuff, guys. If you wanted to make a wonderful, thick, voluminous lather with it, you could. If I wasn't filming and I was just in here playing with this brush and this lather, I would quite easily make something that looked like I'd just opened a can of Barbasol and sprayed it over my face. It's good stuff, guys. It's good stuff. Go and check out the website. You see the cold sore. To be honest with you, I'm surprised I've not had one of those before now. I mean, I've said in previous videos I suffer from chronic dry skin. Ugh. But to be fair, guys, it's doing okay, isn't it? Here we go. I've not been back to the puck once. So we have a play now. So we dip the tips again on the third pass and see. I mean, look at this. You could, couldn't you? You could just keep going and going. Absolutely wonderful. So let me know what your slurp of the day is. Your SOTD, it's a shame of the day. I'm so excited. So excited because I've got a new bottle of wine. A South African one. Because I went to the supermarket and they didn't have Jamshed. So after complaining to the manageress, she said, "We've got this, John." Yes, I'm on first name terms with the manageress of the wine aisle at the local supermarket. Oh my word. Oh, but anyway, I've got a wonderful South African one. So let me know what your shave of the day is, and let me know what your other slurp of the day is. And please let me know what you think of anything in today's video. So long as you keep it clean and respectful, I invite all criticisms and all points. You know, you won't be deleted. I have deleted a couple of comments that use foul language, and a couple were pornographic and a couple were soliciting business. I deleted them. But you know, even if I don't like what you've got to say, if you've got a genuine point, you can make the comment and it'll stay on the video. But yeah, I'm not keen on this blade, guys. I'm not. It is just. And you know what? I think the last sharp blade I used was like this. I think. No. Not entirely sure. Look at this, what's going on? Oh, John, come on, get with the programme. Oh, what's going on? It's early doors, guys. It's early doors. I slept okay last night, but woke up tired. I think it's maybe this lurgy that's hanging on me. Here we go. Lather mittens. Bundubeard has taken the beard. Look at this, guys. You saw it yourself. We didn't lather for long. It's good stuff. It is. It's good stuff. And as I always say, we've got the usual suspects here. Oh, I tried to grow an extra chin to see if it'd push it out the hollows, but it doesn't, so. There you go. I'm not chasing BBS because, like I said, my history with this razor and the feeling of that blade, I think we will call that. We will call that. Oh. Okay, and that's it. Saturday morning, shark bite. I keep meaning to say shark bite. It's not shark bite, is it? It's shark bite. Check that out, guys. Despite that blade and razor combo, we did okay, didn't we? We did okay, and we did okay. I went over that as well, but we did. It's smooth. It's just red and stingy, you know. We did okay. Now here we go. Splashkins. We'll go splashkins first. This, honestly, if you're out there in YouTube land and you've never heard of this, it's Murray and Landman's Florida Water Cologne. It's wonderful. I love it. I love Florida. I really, really do love Florida water. Absolutely. Yeah, lots of sting there. Lots of sting. That would be. I think if I'd have put maybe a Yaqi in that, I'd have got a better shave. Somebody asked me in the last video what's your favourite, and the last comments I think was your favourite blade. I would have to say Yaqi. Oh, there you go. And here we go. Check this out, guys. We got the Balm. Kevy came through. Cheers again, Kevy. Now this Balm, it's rock hard. You see that? A fair old tap. So what we'll do is, you see that? We'll get that there. And that feels quite grainy, actually. We'll get it there. We'll rub it into the hand. Oh no, no, no. Oh, dearie me. Oh no. Oh, has my lip started bleeding? Oh, no. Oh no, get that off. No. I do not like the scent on that Balm at all, guys. No. No, 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 no. So what I'll do is I'll give that to my wife. I hope she doesn't see this video. I'll just say to her, Kevy sent me some stuff, love, and I want to share because I'm a sharer. And because I love you and I want to share, I'll do you the deal. If you go and make the brews, then you'll make a couple of cups of tea for us both while I watch the programme. I'll give you this. Come on, guys, we all do it, don't we? There you go. Here we go. Cheers, farewell, and you. We did okay, didn't we? We did okay. Enjoy your Saturday, everybody. Look after yourselves, and remember, look for an opportunity to look after somebody else. Doesn't have to be big. It's the little things in life that make a difference, isn't it? I will see you all on Wednesday, and don't judge me. Don't judge me on Wednesday shave, okay? There's a reason for everything. Look after yourselves, have a great weekend, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye.